Welcome back, beautiful and awesome people, looking for the best bathroom plants that thrive in low light, high humidity, and even windowless spaces? Whether you want air-purifying houseplants, low-maintenance succulents, or even flowers for your bathroom, this list has you covered. Here are 14 perfect plants for your bathroom that will bring life to your space.
1.
Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the best low-light plants you can get. It thrives in humid environments and even helps purify the air by absorbing toxins. Plus, it's nearly impossible to kill.
2.
ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is another hardy houseplant that tolerates low light and doesn't need much water. It's the perfect choice for a no-window bathroom where most plants struggle. 3. Boston fern. Ferns love humidity, and the Boston fern is no exception. It enjoys moist air, making it a great choice for a bathroom. Just keep the soil slightly damp for best results.
4.
Peace lily. Want a plant that also blooms? The peace lily produces elegant white flowers and thrives in low-light bathrooms. It also helps remove toxins from the air.
5.
Pothos. The pothos plant is a vining beauty that grows well even in dim bathrooms. It's a fast grower and only needs occasional watering, great for beginners. 6. Spider plant. The spider plant is another low-maintenance houseplant that adapts well to bathroom conditions. It looks great in hanging baskets and helps clean indoor air.
7. Aloe vera.
If your bathroom gets some light, aloe vera is a great option. This succulent doesn't need much water and can be useful for treating minor burns and skin irritation.
8.
Calathea or prayer plant. The calathea or prayer plant is known for its striking patterned leaves. It loves humidity and is perfect for a low-light bathroom.
9.
Orchids. Yes, orchids can thrive in bathrooms. They love warm, humid environments and add an elegant touch with their stunning flowers. Just place them near a window or under a grow light.
10.
Chinese evergreen. This plant is practically made for low-light bathrooms. The Chinese evergreen handles humid conditions well and has beautiful, variegated leaves. 11. Bamboo. Lucky bamboo thrives in water, making it a great no-soil bathroom plant. Just keep it in a vase with fresh water and it'll grow beautifully. 12. Cast iron plant. As the name suggests, the cast iron plant is nearly indestructible. It can tolerate low light, humidity, and neglect, making it one of the best bathroom houseplants. 13. English ivy. This elegant vining plant is well in humid bathrooms. It's also a natural air purifier, helping to remove mold spores and toxins. 14. Begonias. Surprisingly, begonias can do well in bathrooms. They love warmth and humidity and produce gorgeous blooms, adding a pop of color to your space. Which one of these bathroom plants do you want to try first? Or do you already have one growing? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support my small channel as this means a world for me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.